Friends, if you also want to log out your Facebook account from all your old devices, then this video is for you. You must watch this video till the end. To log out your Facebook account from old devices, first click on the top right profile icon. Now tap on this setting icon. After that, you have to click on See More Account Center. Now you have to click 1 Password and Security. Now here you have to click on where you are logged in. After that you have to select any account. Now click on Select Devices to log out. Now select all those devices from which you want to log out your account. Now you have to click on Logout. Now click on Logout again. In this way, you can log out your account from all old devices. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in a next video.